How to subscribe to get Disney Hulu ESPN bundle. Step number 1. Visit the Disney Bundle sign-up page. Navigate to the official Disney Bundle sign-up page. Step number 2. Choose your bundle plan. Select the plan that suits your preferences. Disney Bundle Duo Basic includes Disney Plus with ads and Hulu with ads for just $10.99 per month. Disney Bundle Trio Basic includes Disney Plus with ads, Hulu with ads, and ESPN Plus with ads for $16.99 per month. Disney Bundle Trio Premium includes Disney Plus no ads, Hulu no ads, and ESPN Plus with ads for $24.99 per month. Step number 3, create your account. Enter your email address and create a password. Provide the required personal information. Step number 4, enter payment information. Input your payment details to complete the subscription process. Step number 5, access each service. After subscribing, you'll receive emails to activate your Hulu and ESPN Plus accounts. Follow the instructions to set up your login credentials for each service. Step number 6, download the apps. On your preferred device, download the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN apps from the respective app store. Step number 7, log in and start streaming. Open each app and log in using the credentials you set up. And begin enjoying the vast content libraries offered by Disney, Hulu, and ESPN.